Hi there. In this video, I wanted to share my kit that I send to my patrons. So this kit was for the month of March, but if you like what you see, then make sure to check out my April. This is my top tier. You'll get something similar to this. Each month the theme is different, but in March I took my old Daphne Diary magazines and I made these really cute journals. Each one has lace trim. I did a sewing detail around the edge of the journals and did a sewing detail down the ribbon. And I used pages from the magazine as well as pages from some pastel color paper. And it's great. You can have this be this is a side tuck. You can have this be a writing journal. You could turn it into a glue book or an art journal. Just such beautiful pages. You can cover these up if you want to, or you can add some additional decorations around them. But I love all of the pastel colors, very spring-like. And I tried to coordinate these plain paper colors with the magazine papers. And just so many fun. It's just fun. It's very springy, and I love repurposing old magazines, and I felt like this was a great way to do that. So each journal was a different magazine. So they're all going to look different, all going to have different pages in them, and there's tons and tons of pages in here, as you can see. So I would probably use it as a travel journal or a monthly planner for a particular month, or maybe even a couple months. And then I also am including just some different pages from the magazine that my patrons can do some additional decorating with, some stickers. And then look at these adorable little die cuts. They're little postcards, but you could fussy cut these out, use them as a journal topper. Lots of different options there. And then I also made some other items that can go into the journal, and I'll show you those here. So I made, this is with antique ledger paper. I made this tag and decorated it up. Added the ribbon on here and the little bling, and I love this tag so much. Added a little flower, and here is another. This is a little pocket, window pocket, so you can just glue this right down into your journal, and then whatever you put down into that pocket pokes through the little window. And then I did a little collage cluster on here, as well as some stamping. Just really pretty, and they're all different colors, and I tried to coordinate the color of these with the particular journal. And then I made a couple of tags that can go into the pocket and be decorated more, and then just another plain index card for them, and a plain time card for them to decorate up with. And then they also will receive this napkin, teacup napkin. I think it's so pretty. And there's teacups on, I think it's all 4 sides. Let me double check. Oh, on 2 sides. So you get 2 teacups with the napkin, and then a vintage piece of a pillowcase. And look at the colors. Such spring, perfect for spring. So cute. You could make this into like a mini journal, cut it out and use it for tags. I think they'd be beautiful tags for sure. And the napkin, you can use collage medium and collage that onto a page or onto a tag. And then I also made these fun little charms, and I have a video on how to make these if you want to check that out. And then I just added a little bulb pin with some beads and a paper clip. And so you would just put this onto the side of a page in your journal, And then you'd have that cute little charm hanging out. Oops, I pulled the paper clip off. Let's try that again. There we go. And we'd have your cute little charm hanging out of your journal. Super cute. And then I get this glassine bag and a 10 little piece kit of items. So I also included the original ring that came with this key tag in case they wanted to use that. And then just a pretty little safety pin with some more beads on it. And they could glue that onto the front like that. Look how cute that would look right there. All right, and then also a really pretty dragonfly sticker. They're just so pretty. Love these dragonfly stickers. And then also a whale tail tag, a little mini tag. And each one's a little bit different, but a bunch of little pieces that they can use, a cute little coin envelope to do some additional decorating in the journal, or they could use them on other projects. So yeah, I love how this came together. So if you like what you see, make sure to check out my Patreon so you can grab a spot for the April tiers. And I have several different tiers that you can check out and find one that is within your price point that can work for you. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.